up, y'all? It's Race Cosmetics here, back again with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be making body butters. My phone is dead, but today is, I think, Saturday the 11th, I think. And I mean, like, I went to school all week today, so I mean, like, the weekends is the only day I have to make my products and stuff. So that's what I'm really gonna focus today on. I'm gonna try to make like more than one type of body butter because I really have to get like more experience than making them. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be about. Alright, y'all, so I'm in my stationery right now where I make my body butters at, and I'm about to start making them. So I have my colors right here. All of my colors are in here, plus a little bit of scents, but I use two different types of scents. So before I get into making my body butters, I want to show y'all like one of my lip glosses. Alright, so yeah, this is one of my pink glosses. This one is like a very like hot pink color. Yeah, so this is like a very hot pink color, and these are one of my glosses I have. So I'm gonna put it on my lips just to show y'all like how it looks. Yeah, so this is how it looks on my lips. It gives my lips a little of a pink tint to it. So this is the lip gloss I'm going to be wearing in today's video. But anyways, I really want to get into making these body butters because honestly, I just love making body butters now. Alright, so what I start off with is my shea butter. So this is a bucket of shea butter. It comes with a lot, so that's what I really like about it. And so I start off with that, and then I get my mixing bowl. So this is the mixing bowl that goes into the machine. I wish y'all could see me like better, but like honestly there's no other way. There's no other way. Hold on, let me try. I'll probably put it on my body butters. So yeah, y'all can see me better like this, I guess. So let me put my bowl on here. Y'all can't really see. I wish y'all could really see, like really see. Alright, so I go ahead and put some of my shea butter in the mixing bowl. So when you go on TikTok and watch other people make their body butters, they usually melt it into like an oil before they mix it and let it like put it in the refrigerator. Bruh. And put it in the refrigerator and let it like dry and then mix it and stuff. But like, I don't do that. That just like wastes time, honestly, because it's basically still the same thing. Like, oh shit, I forgot to put on my gloves. I want to make like different colors. Like, I want to make swirls and stuff. So yeah, this shea butter is like so soft. It comes out like ice cream. So I'm gonna make like a 2-color swirl for this one. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna do first. A 2-color swirl. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oils. So right now I'm using Better Body Foods almond oil. So this almond oil is for the body. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my machine. We're gonna lock it. Lock that up. And then we're gonna put it on the highest setting. Alright, y'all, so hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and like mix this up a little bit myself because like, oh my gosh, my spoolie just broke. The freak. yeah, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more, since like the machine can't really get the sides and the creases of it, so I have to do that myself. But not really mix it, I'm just gonna like center it so we could get it. And then for the top of the machine part, I have to like just scoop this out because we don't need any wasted, honestly. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna put it back in and let it mix until it gets to the consistency that I want it to. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I think it is the consistency that I want it to be. So we're gonna take it out, because you know what I don't want it to be? Too liquidy. Hold on. Alright, yeah, like I was saying, so it is the consistency that I want it to be. I don't want it to be too watery. I want it like a fluffy consistency. Alright, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix it and then also get it from here too. Alright, y'all, so since it's all out and mixed and it is the consistency that I want it to be, we're gonna go ahead with flavoring and colors. Hold on, before we do that, we have to separate them into two because I wanted to do a little two different swirls. So I'm gonna separate them into two. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and pick the two colors. So I want to do, hold on, a light blue color. So I'm gonna use this light blue color right here. This is a very interesting curiosity. All gods and angels have their names inspired by drinks. And probably like a yellow. So we're gonna use this color right here. Yeah. And for scents, let's see. We're probably gonna do blueberry. We're gonna do blueberry for scents. We're only gonna do one scent because we don't want to mix scents and then the smell doesn't come out, you know, good. Alright, so for the yellow one, we're gonna put it in the one that's going into the machine. And then the blue one, I'm gonna have to mix myself. And then we're gonna put the scents in both also. So I have the two colors here. This is how one of them turned out, blue. There's a little white man. Just added that to it. And this is how the yellow turned out. So let me take these gloves off. It's too dirty. What I have to do next is roll it on this paper. Alright, I'm gonna start off with the blue. Yeah, this is satisfying, right? Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead with the yellow. Alright, so now we're gonna get the piping bags ready. Now we're gonna pipe this into a jar. Let me find one. It's not sticky already. Alright, so I have to record a video for TikTok too, so hold on. Alright, y'all, so I did my first one and this is how it turned out. So I might just name this something like a map because it looks like a map, to be honest. Hold on, let me let it focus. Yeah, it looks like a map. But yeah, my camera about to die, so I'm gonna pipe the rest of these and then I'm gonna get back to y'all, honestly. And I have to clean out this again so I can make the rest. Alright, y'all, so it already got late and my nephews came, so I have to watch them and stuff. So I won't be able to make the rest of the body butters today, but I'll make them another day and I'll show y'all because I know y'all wanted to see the rest. But I'm sorry, I gotta go. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment down below. And peace, y'all. Have a great, wonderful day. Rachel is out of here.